Wonderland used to look so pretty, now making me moody. In the deep woods, alone with my feels, spend too much time thinking. In the end, you'll be with me. Maybe I'm just getting it now.
maanta ani naagtiisa الجنة باشالنا خبوه بنانك الجيران لكن حواي راح naagtay waxay jeceshahay barafka anigu barafaa jeclaa laakiin waxa bashaalka kastoo ani samra jeclaa laakiin qabowga beel soo bax ilma di qabtid banaanka geey ilma barafka waa jecliin waa ku dheelaan ku baashaalaan
Yeah.
so ani naagtay waanta iska baashaalay
Don't you dare!
The dance want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just take the night and believe when it's like nothing.
My hand is so cold.
okay baby adi maxaa qabow qaayba barafaa jeclaan waa dhaaday si camal adana
I love it. I just don't have the mittens right now or the scarf. But
yeah
butterf is my thing right here.
wallahi qurax
So free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promise.
معنا برف باشال او باشالين
Yeah.
انا
I love. You know the thing I love? I love the woods. You see how it's so green?
yeah
It really stands out in the winter time. Summertime is really nice and green, but I like the winter time.
ولكن برف لكن جرين اغار ماني بلايك وحنن او شنو ودعتي
I like when they don't have no leaves on them and they're like just empty, just wood.
يا ها انا برجع له تيري تين تين
All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more,
هاي جعلك حوادي ادونك wax adii naagta wax walbo saxdiina waa maraa wax kasto balak waxa la rabaa
And I scarce it.
adkeysa loo baahan yahay adkeysatid
Exactly.
yeah it's aminteen work things out right
Patience is everything. Patient and understanding.
والله بالله إلكم أنا جا أنت عنونا جاوب بلابنا you know what I mean
Yeah.
مركا أنا واكل بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ما أنت أنتم عنونا Chinese man like Thai food no Hawaii East Asian food بيلو Chinese food وعك في عن Thai food مركو سو دوادا الحمد لله ما أنت وحرمنا نيسجنو وح أو قصة له وحارقني we came across
Subject,
وشاك
the woman with the hair glue.
yeah
We're talking about it, having our own opinion. The hair glue, what happened was tragic from what I know. But I think people should be aware that Gorilla hair glue isn't really used for hair.
Gorilla Blue
Yeah, I know. You notice like it's for pine cone. It's to like spray on pine cone.
oh really
Yeah.
oil
I thought people use it for decoration. That shit is dangerous.
yeah وها نحكي وحنا نشوف سا جورا جت دور مذوق هذا famous أنا ختام ولا
Yeah, she's famous.
because تما يرتي مو جلاع ما كديرتي I don't know what hair glue محاول
No, hair glue. She just wanted to like pat down her hair, like she
Oh.
wanted to like slick back her hair.
right وحيرتي تما كوجيجس وحيرتي سوبسي تما يرتي كوجيجسو جيل عمله يرتي أو مرسة تما مرقة تمي ومرستي تمي دون كلكي مرستي مذوبة سنخلي تمي دون واكات كاد
Yeah, all her hair got stiff. Like it's like hitting a wood. It's like solid.
مركز ونحدي جورتي وحيرتي تمي يرى خبتي محاوقي وحسسو بس على الرو تمي سليد عايز كمرس الصعد ولكن
But in this world, you know, like a lot of, I feel like the reason why, you know why she did it?
What?
You know, because, you know, in this world, like, women are pressured, you know, when it comes to beauty. The pressure to look good, you know, to stand out, you know, to have things on, like, to have, like, everything. I feel like her mistake was just overdoing it, you know? So, she ran out of, the things she used to slick back her hair, and she mistaken it with a different product that was even for hair. I feel sorry. I was following her.
Got me thinking I was messed up.
Maga qosole udisha markii arkay oo stories maqli gabadha timaheeda adoo marka 3 beri 4 beri timaha waa dhaqaweys daaw ma hadana
You can't even move her hair. It's like it's there, like slip back and cry in the video.
timaheeda ma waa dhaqaweys 4 beri 5 beri miya waa la waashta dhow familkeeda iyo ka dhan waa isla waashta timaha ma dhaqo gabartii waa oosa adoo TikTok soo duubtay waxa dhahay timahii saan waay daawadaan amari kaalmee help me guys.
And a doctor that is like, I think he's Nigerian. A Nigerian doctor actually helped her out. But what they ended up doing was putting chemical in her hair. And I don't think she's gonna grow back her hair though.
I don't know. Moyo wala mumleya timaha soo baxay marka.
She got it fixed though, you know.
Marka shacbiga dhaadi ani kaalmeeya waxa dhaadi kaalmo baa kiyo awaadi waxa dhaadi timay asaway lacag laana loo subi timaha awala dur wala jifi timiya la shaqeeya.
No, I feel like when it comes to guys, they do a lot of work too. They're just like girls. They have to like fix their hair, put some cologne, you know, get some wash, you know, look nice.
Alright.
But they're not as pressured as girls are. You know, in society, girls are really pressured to do a lot of stuff. You know.
Marka stories mungkin maqla ani qosol isku dilay. Naagtay waxa dhaadi oh Muhammad sad was story. This is like a little kanasubi. Waxa waaye vegetable, mushroom, onions. Marka beel waa qanno kwaas di jirintiida ma hadii isku jacshi cunto mki cunayso suuqa. Suuq waa kana. Cheers. معان والله ما شاء الله بصل ما قدر كتا بيرو ادو بس قدر it looks like this جدا مركو على الربا guys وعقنا oh so no so soup champagne no soup I working at champagne and working at soup or something.
Never got jokes, so we don't do that. Be aware of what you put in your hair, you know?
Yeah.
Don't make mistakes because of beauty.
Alright, قبلين سمعوا عننا please بس خبتي تمها اسك بركة قبل أركيو كقرح بدن قبل أركي تمك فعلا كخبته you know تمها of course I تبونا كجنا.
Yeah, we're in 2021. All we're saying is just like be careful. There's a lot of people making mistakes when it comes to looking pretty. Hollywood, a lot of people are doing plastic surgery, and some people regret it, you know? Failed surgery. Some people die doing procedures, prosthetics, a lot of stuff. So just be careful with what you put in your hair or doing something to your face, to your body. Be aware of that and try to educate yourself.
I mean, plastic surgery.
I'm against
I'm
it.
all for it.
I'm not for it, actually. I'm not gonna lie. I just feel like if it's something like that, like if you had an accident, something you want to fix, do that. But if it's to look pretty, I think people are pretty just the way they look. They don't need to do plastic surgery. I mean, it's your opinion, but I'm not for plastic surgery. I'm just against it. I just feel like people who want to do surgery have to have a reason for it. If it's like an accident they went through, torn their face, broke their nose, but if it's just to look pretty, I don't think it's really good. Yeah, I'm against plastic surgery. I don't know why you like plastic surgery.
Plastic surgery
It's not good.
is good for people, no?
It's not good for people. It changes who you are as a person, you know? Love what God gave you know?
No, sometimes dadka majal soo waxa khaldan marka waxa rabaan inay isku toosiyaan dib ma leeyahay
It's not okay. I think it's not. Just love like who you are. Cause I feel like the more you do plastic surgery, you're lower. Like you're gonna really you're not gonna really love yourself. Like if you really loved yourself, you wouldn't change a thing. You know. So like just love yourself. Love the way you was born. Like love the way you came out of the womb. Love your look, who you are as a person. Because at the end of the day, changing it's just gonna really lower your self-esteem, how you think about yourself. Yeah, there's people who like do lip injection, and then the next thing you know, they look at someone and then they decide to do butt injection. It's not good.
surgery hadii wax ka xun yahay oo adin nacban tahay. America joogtaa 2021 waaye.
If for surgery, I'm against it. So we have two different opinions, but that's alright.
Yeah, you got. If you want to change something, I mean, you can change anything you want.
I would advise.
As long as you don't change your. إلهي بيقوم أسك بدل، لكن هذه الصوت واحد حنية وتوسكت is okay. معان.
I would advise you to like think before you do something, about changing anything in your body. But everyone has different opinion,
Oh yeah.
And we just gotta respect each other.
إلهي بيحكسي أو حك في عم جلس كبدلي، لكن extra directed, you go ahead and you can go ahead and do it. That day she's not all up for surgery.
Yeah, I'm against it. I'm sorry. I just feel like you just gotta love yourself, who you are as a person.
But for me, your boy approved the message.
Yeah, if you can't love yourself, how do you expect people to love you?
Yeah, but what do you think about this lady? At the knockdown, they told her like.
I think she learned her lesson, but at the same time, she did something good. She helped people be aware of what she did and not to like fall into the trap she fell into.
Oh yeah.
Which is like putting on Gorilla Glue, which isn't meant for hair.
I'm like confused. How did she get the idea to put super glue in her head? I mean,
it's not super glue, Gorilla.
Yeah, Gorilla Glue is basically a super glue.
Mistaking that for hair product, Like now there's gel, but now there's something like more better than gel. You spray it into your hair and it actually slicks back your hair. If it's like, if you have like coarse hair or frizzy, any type of hair.
If it says Gorilla Glue, that means like, you would assume like it's a strong like gorilla. Man, I'm message like it. قبل توا خوات دا واجيب سؤال وحيرت تماس دخل واحد يسي قروحة اسكو بدلا من قام ملل تمي قولي لا قدال تمو ويالي تمي هذا قول كاس ويرو ويالا تام ملل ايور زيرو كم قالوا دخل دكتور وحاسدا وحاس سيلو ولا جيفي انستيجا علبة على الدور قبلين صومالي تمي يرو كستو خبتين ما شاء الله embrace it, you know what I mean?
Yeah. And get this guy to eat like raw salmon and sushi with me.
No.
It's this guy.
Maalin ali usiri laakiin sushi ma cuni karaan laakiin qof ay dhahay yo this is good come on fiiriya maxaa duwanaysa cuni ma cuni weli
Yeah, but if you feel okay and like nothing happened to you, I mean, why not continue,
Right.
Yeah.
That story was funny to me,
Yeah.
Right. To see the struggle that you guys go through, it's crazy. Like women, you guys go through a lot of changes throughout your life,
I wasn't surprised why she did that. I'm not gonna lie to you. I wasn't surprised why she did it,
Oh yeah? Why? Oh yeah.
Yeah, because there's a lot of standards that people put you into. You gotta wear lashes, you gotta wear lipstick, contour, just everything. I mean, just do what you like doing. Don't let anyone like tell you otherwise. That you should like, you know, use other stuff or, you know, change the way you move.
Yeah, hell yeah. That story asa ani hala akshikeni.
Yeah.
I was laughing. I was hustle.